Hey guys, it's me Sumedha. Today I am going to show you how to make a passcode app. Today I will show you how to design it, and in the next video I will show you how to code it. So today also we will code in we will make an app in code.org. So if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe so that if I uploaded more videos, you will get notification, and please subscribe, like and share and comment below if you like it. Okay, so let's start. First we'll go to Google Chrome. Okay, Google Chrome and search code.org. It's free, don't worry. Continue with Google. I have an account before, only I've finished creating my account before, so if you don't have an account you have to create it. So then we will go to create and then applet, because we are going to make an app, and then we will rename it, and we will write pass what's happening, pass code app, and then save it. And then we'll go to design, make the screen bigger so that it's easier to see, and then we will change the ID of screen one. We'll name it main screen. And then we will add a button. Before adding button, if you want to change the default, you can change it. I want to make it color. It's nice. I like it. In the default only you can change it, the theme. Okay, button, and name it open button, and the text also open, and I'll change the font size to 20 and the center here. Okay, everything is good. Yeah, and then we will add a image. I'll make it bigger. It's not this good. Yeah, it's enough. And then we will. It's only one image. Yeah, only one image. So no need to name it and all. We'll add a text. I mean level. In the level, I name the level as. We'll write here try again. And don't worry that when you will open the main screen, you will be, some people will be thinking like that what is the use of try again and all. So we'll hide it in the code. Okay, I'll show you later, so don't worry and all. Don't worry. And the ID is try again. ID should be alert, not try again. And the text should be try again. Okay. Try again, exclamation mark, and it should be center the text alignment, and the font size should be 20. Okay, 20. I'll think about it. Let's make it bigger, so yeah, it's fine. We will make the font family as comic. It's beautiful. Okay. So the first main screen is done, but we have to add the image also. You can add any image what you like. I will add image from icons, a smiley image. Smiley. Yeah, just it. Okay, and you can just go to add new tab and just save image and just upload images like this only. You can do, but I've just add from icon. So now after now we'll add one more screen. You have to make two screens, right? So this is the second screen. In the second screen, this is the main pass screen, and here we will add buttons. One button, one text input, and a label. So the label is enter label, enter password, enter pass, and its text should be enter pass only. Pass. Font size should be 15 or 20. 20. Yeah, and font family is Palatino, and text alignment is center. Do you know when I got this idea from the passcode means I've seen a video, so I've just learned this coding from Whitehead Junior. My ma'am is Achal Gupta. She's a very nice teacher, caring teacher, and all. So in there I forgot about it that I learned. Sorry, I have a very bad memory. Okay, so when I just was watching YouTube videos about coding and all, I see a girl named some superstar. I'll write the name in the description. So from there I got this passcode idea, and I'm just showing you how to make it. She have also shown people, so that's okay. So we use the text input placeholder. We will not write anything. Here we will write the password. Okay, and in the button, here should be the check button. So we'll name it check only. Here also same check. Okay, done. And we'll add one more screen, and it should be named the information screen. Information screen. Here we will add a button, a text area, and a label. Okay, so let's make this bigger. Text area should be bigger, I think so. Text area. In the text we write information Sumedha. Information only. Information text should be Sumedha's information. It should be here. Information. Okay. Font size 20. Okay, not 20, 15. Okay, some bigger. Okay, it should be center. Font size 20 or 19, I think. 18, 17, yeah, 17 good. Yeah. We'll make it bigger. Exit button. This button is for exit. I'll make it exit. Here also exit. Yeah. Okay, done. And here I write about the text. Okay, wait. Let me just finish the text writing. So I said you that I've made in the notepad, so I've copied it before. So let's paste it. So I have a big paragraph and I made the font size to 20 before, so that's why it's like this. Okay, you can see Sumedha novels. Okay, so this is the last screen. So in the next video, I will show you how to code. So please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye bye. See you in the next video.